What's up, you guys? It's Jim. Welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get this smoky glitter cut crease. Anyway, let's get into the video. So I put some orange in my crease with a fluffy brush, and this color here I'm applying is a burnt brown. And now I'm going in with a chocolate brown and I'm blending that on top of each other in the crease. And here you can see that it got a little bit more pigmented. It's because I built the color. Now I'm taking this blending brush and I'm putting black into the outer corner to give it some more definition, some more depth, you know. I really want to make it smoky, smoke it out like that to the end piece. To the end piece, to the outer corner of my eye. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going back in to my palette and applying more color and blending it out wherever it's needed, you know. Then I'm going to take this flat brush and my matte concealer. This concealer is a tad bit, you know, light for my skin, so I take this to cut my crease and it works really well. Every cut crease I do, I use this. So I'm just gonna do a cut crease. I'm not taking it out like a wing or anything like that. It's basically gonna be a half cut crease. So that's just what I'm doing here. So I'm just carving out the look to get, you know, that shape I want. And here I'm patting on my lid just to take off any excess product or product that just don't need to be there. And then I'm going back in with that brown, that chocolatey brown shade, and I am blending the edges of the outer V where the concealer meets, just so it can be a nice smooth transition. Then I'm taking this flat shader brush and I'm packing onto white in my inner corner. I'm gonna apply a good much of this just because I wanted to have a nice gradient effect. Then I'm taking this really nude, pretty color, and I'm gonna be blending this in with the white that I put first and with the chocolate brown in the outer crease, in the outer V, sorry. So there I'm picking up that color and I'm gonna blend it in. I'm blending it in really good, and I'm gonna go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with the colors just so it's a good blend. Blend your shadows, ladies. Blend till the day you die. Blend. I'm telling you, it all works out in the end. It might look like a lot, but it's worth it. You know, it's worth it. So here I'm taking my Duo lash glue. This is the one with the brush tip. And here y'all are going to see it. I spilled all my glitter. I was so mad. Anyway, so I took my Duo lash glue and I drew my crease. I carved out my crease really with this. And then on top of this, I'm going to be packing this gold glitter. This gold glitter, it's more so a white glitter, like a white gold, not like a gold or a yellow gold. But this brush is really nice for doing this because it's really precise and it's really small. It's not really fluffy or anything like that, so you can really get the glitter where you want it to be. And then if I have any fallout, I'm taking this exact same brush and brushing anything away, like just brushing it away, because don't really need it. Of course I don't need it, but yeah, I'm just gonna brush it away. So I'm doing the next eye and it's the same steps. Anyway, you guys can just watch this and I'll come back and tell you what I'm gonna do next. I'm just blending. And the whole time I'm like looking over doing this voice over, I'm looking at my bun. Boo. That bun is popping. Y'all understand, I live for a bun. Look at that. Oh my god. So here I am again cutting my crease. And cutting the crease for me is really easy. In like real time, I do it real fast. But a way that you can do your cut crease so it's more, I guess, easier for you is that you can literally outline by creating like little strokes, like little dots, then connecting them and then filling in your cut crease. That is a good way to do it for like someone who doesn't really know or like a beginner. It's really, really good to do it that way. But back again, applying the same shades on my lid from the white to that nude color and then back into the chocolate brown and I guess mixing with a little bit of black. I'm pretty sure that I'm alternating between those two colors to blend it out. So that's what I'm doing there. But yes, y'all. And a lot of times I like go back and forth between one eye and the next eye just because I want it to look more like sisters, not cousins, sisters. So that's why I go back and forth and do all of that. But I'm applying the glitter here again with the same brush that I did before. And I'm normally really have a still hand when it comes to doing that. So yeah. But here I am applying some of that burnt brown underneath my eyes to smoke it out further. And you guys will see that I do not like to put heavy pigments underneath my eye when it comes to looks like this. Like if it's colorful, then it's different. But looks like this, I don't really put much shadow. I don't put liquid like liner or gel liner or pencil underneath my eye. But anyway, here I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eye with my highlighting palette. And I'm also going to do my eyebrow. I really like to use my highlighting palette to do my inner corner and my eyebrow. You know, it just depends on what highlighter I'm using. But I always use the same highlighter that I put on my face, on my eyebrow, and in my inner corner. So yeah. Okay, here guys, I am dusting off my setting powder that I had on my face because obviously I did my face prior to my eye makeup. So I'm just brushing that away with this fluffy brush. Just brushing it all away. And then I'm going to set my face with this setting spray and I'm going to fan myself. I'm going to fan so it can dry faster. At least I think that helps, but who knows. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighting palette and I'm going to take all 4 shades and I'm going to swirl it around and I apply my highlighter to my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And then I blend it in, of course, because you don't want it to just be boom in your face. I mean, you do, but you want to do it blended. Have it blended. That's better. Applying mascara, and I am prepping my eyes for lashes, and I am taking off any fallout that happened to fall on them. So when I put on the lashes, they blend better to my top and my bottom. And I'm just really, because I don't wear any liner on the bottom, I'm really gonna try to make my bottom lashes more pronounced. So this is me taking my Wet n Wild felt tip liner, and I'm gonna line both eyes. You can do it however you want it, but with this one, I'm not winging it. I'm just dragging it to the end of my eyelashes, and I'm leaving it there. And then a good tip too is at the end, you can blend in some black shadow just so you can make it more seamless. But to me, it didn't really matter. My lash band is gonna go on top of it anyway, so you're not really gonna see it. And if you do see on my eye where it's red, I poked myself in my eye. But here, I was showing you guys what lashes I was using, and I lost one. Like, everything just was going wrong. Losing lashes, spilling glitter, whatever. But here I use a tweezer to put on my eyelashes, and I pinch my natural lashes and the false lashes together to have them blend. But in this video, I forgot to mention that everything I use is very inexpensive. This is a very inexpensive makeup look. It really is. So you could get a bomb look on a budget. I'm telling you, like, you don't need much to do a bomb face. And this is proof. I am taking a good old Beauty Supply black lip, not black, brown lip liner, and I am lining my lips to give me my go-to nude lip. So I put this on and I do it as dark as I want to, and then I'm gonna go in with this bomb lip gloss from Lorac, and I can't remember the name right now, but y'all, if y'all can find this, pick it up because it is like a staple in my makeup routine. I'm not gonna lie, like, whew, sis, girl. And I just blend that liner in. And I know that Lorac lip gloss, I don't know if it's drugstore, but I got it on sale, so it's good enough for me. But here I'm showing you guys the look, and I'm feeling this. But I hope you guys like this video. Give me a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Join the fam. I love you guys. Bye.